What's going on, guys? We're back with another video today. Today, our main goal is to get the engine that's in the Subaru out. So I got the other engine sitting on the ground right there, as you can see. But today's goal is just to get that out because I got to switch over a few parts because it's actually off a newer Subaru. But everything should be the same, but I will have to switch over the intake and stuff. But yeah, so let's just jump right onto it. I'm going to do a time lapse today, set it up, see how that goes. Just trying a few different things, see which ones come out the best, working on improving the content. Let's get into it. Okay, update. How's it going? We got the intake off, all the wires disconnected. I believe all the lines disconnected. So now all we gotta do is unbolt the bell housing, and then motor mounts and exhaust. I think she should be ready to pull up after that. I got it all hooked up. See if she comes out. She should slide right on out, but we'll see. Missed one. This little guy right here. That's what I missed. That's running shot. Yeah, probably should put more TV. Yeah. This guy right here is what I missed. Now she come right on. Right on. Oh, look at that. There it goes. Everything is clear. Just like that, she's out. Well, there you go. That'll be the end of this video. Got the engine all out, of course. Got it on the ground, got the whole fluids drained. Next video, we'll switch over the accessories I need, and switch over the intakes, stuff like that, and then try to go ahead and get a car and fire it back up. If you guys liked it, like the video, leave a like, comment, subscribe. I'd highly appreciate it. If not, no big deal. I get it. I'm still new to this, working on it, but I will get better. If you stick around for me, you just gotta give me a little bit to figure all this out. But with that being said, y'all have a good day.